Okay, so hello everyone. So in this video we want to find the sum of the 2D array. Obviously it's gonna be simple, right? Before me showing you guys how to do it, you guys try it once. Okay, it's gonna be very simple. It's very simple, similar to our 1D array. Okay, so give it a try. Okay, so I hope you give it a try. Okay, so let's just see how we'll do it. So before that, let me just actually comment this printing part. Okay, obviously we don't need the printing part, right? So by these lines we know that we can actually get the inputs, right? Take the n value, that is number of rows, number of columns, get inside of it. Afterwards we need to print it. Okay, so before printing, let's see what are the things that we require. So to print we need something called as int sum, which will store the sum initially to be 0. Afterwards you need to go to the, like, iterated from 0 to I less than m I plus plus. Okay, that means inside of it first you change the value of j. Okay, j less than and j plus plus, right? Now you're inside of this loop. What you will do, sum equal to whatever it will be the sum value previously, add it with ar of I j. Does this make sense to us? See, again going through all of the array, okay, but right now I'm not actually printing them, but rather I'm trying to get them their sums. Okay, so first let's say sum value 0 sum. Okay, so okay, that's first let's get the sum and then I can explain. Okay, so first let's get the sum and I'll explain after that. After getting out of this loop, we will be having the values in our sum. So let's print it like this: sum is sum, and then into next line. Okay, come here. Let's first give the array, and let's give the arrays first, like how we have given. Let's give 3 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sorry, 3 4 5. I given 3 4 5. Okay, let's give it again because I want to confuse you guys. Let's give it again. 3 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and we're getting sum is 6. Okay, let's see what is the issue here. Sum is getting 6, but sum should not be 6. Here we are getting 6. We're getting 6 because we're not initializing this j set, right? Even j is some value, right? J is starting from 0. But now we should get the answer properly, for perfectly fine. Okay, 3 3. That's again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We're getting sum is 45. Okay, very simple again. You can do it the trial. Let's do it right now. So in this line number 22, what I'm doing, sum equal to sum plus ar of I j. By this only we are doing this thing that we're doing. First sum is 0. Okay, come and first sum is 0. 0 plus ar of ij. I value 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, so 0, 1. So sum value became 1. Again, next time again you came in this loop, you are gonna increase the value of sum by, sum is right now 1, 1 plus ar of ij. I will be 0, but j will be 1. So sum of this 2. What is this? 3. Afterwards we want to take the sum of all this. So 3, whatever 3 is there, plus this ij. Okay, that means 0, 2. So it's getting updated here only. So sum became 6 after the first iteration, after I equal to 0. Afterwards I became 1, right? I became 1. So now you're here, and right now your sum is containing 6. So 6 plus 4, 10. Afterwards again sum is containing 10. Now afterwards you want to add this. So afterwards 10 plus 5, 15. 5 15 plus 6, 21. After 21 again I value will be changed by I equal to 2. Okay, so 21 plus 7 next, 28. Afterwards again some value will contain 28, right? After that sum equal to sum plus ar of ij. So now you try to print this, get the sum of this. Okay, so get the sum here, 8. What will be here? 30. I think I have taken some issues, right? That's fine. 36. That is 9, and we get 45. Okay, I hope it's making sense. Very simple. Like you can do the trial. Okay, it's very, very simple. Okay, now this is very great. This is great. Now similar to this, can you find the maximum in this whole 2D array? Okay, the maximum value is 9, right? But what if I actually change the values, like I give 10 20, like this I give 25, 50. So can you find the maximum? Considering that the maximum value, okay, the maximum value, or basically all the values are positive numbers, positive number in my array. So can you get it? Can you get it? Try it once. Okay, after you have tried, I'll show you how you can do it. It's also very simple. Okay, let's see how we do it. Okay, very simple again. So let's get started. How we'll do it. So instead of getting the sum, okay, so I hope you understood how to get the sum. I want to now get the max. How will I get max? Considering all the values is positive. Okay, so that's why I'm taking value equal to 0. Okay, let's consider that right now max is 0. So next you go again, you go to all of the value, all value. So first you need to make this thing good. I less than m, I plus plus for the second value for j value, so j equal to 0, j less than n, because number of columns, right? J plus plus family. Instead of this, check this. If max is less than, right, that means if max value, that means right now is 0. Okay, what right now, and let's say AR of 0 0 is storing 1, so 0 is basically less than 1. So what ideally should be the max if you have considered only 0 0? So obviously max will be basically your whatever is AR of ij. Okay, this value, right, whatever is here, that means this is containing 1, right? So max will actually be 1. Okay, and similarly after this, actually this whole thing is like run. Okay, all of the array will check as soon as the max value is less than whatever is the AR of ij, we'll update it. Okay, and if it's not there, then don't update it, it's fine. And we know that if else, even if you write if, it's fine even if you don't write the else condition, right? So let's just keep it here. Okay, that if in case my max value is less than whatever is the ij, I will update it, and in case if it's not, then that is the value. After coming out of this loop, I will be getting my max, and I'll be like, okay, let's make 20 max. Let's do a pattern for this. Okay, max equal to, let's say max value and d. Okay, simple. Right. So let's give the array something like different, something different. Okay, so 3 3s, that's fine, but let me give this array like this: 56 78. Okay, first row 34 56, no, not 56, let's give 55, let's give 78, let's give 12, let's give 14 34, let's give 13, let's give 15. What is the max here? Anyone? Max is 78. So we're getting 78. I hope it's making sense, right? How we're doing. Okay, just go treat once again. Okay, and we'll be able to treat. Okay, how we're doing it, let me just show it to you. So let's come here, let's do the try run. You're basically here, max equal to 0. Okay, max equal to 0, no problem. Next you are at I equal to 0, I equal to 0, and j equal to 0. So AR of 0 0. Hey, is the value of AR of 0 0 equal greater than 0? Yes. Update max. Max became 45 at this line. Okay, max became 45. Afterwards you came here, afterwards again you came here, and you're like, okay, now the value I want to check for 0 1. So 0 1 is 56. Okay, 56 is a bit greater, update it. Even 78 is greater, so update it 70. After that you came to this line. At this line here, 34 is greater than 78. No, don't update it. 55 is greater. No, don't update it. 78, is it actually greater? See, max is containing 78, and I'm checking this condition AR of I j. Okay, this is also containing 78. That means they're equal. So even if they're equal, they are not less, right? They are not less, so it will not be updated. It will not be updated. Okay, so 77 will be as it is. Again, to come and be compared with 12. Hey, is 77 less than 12? No, then don't do anything. Go and do I plus plus or j plus plus, whatever you're doing. 13 is less than 78 is less than 13. No. Is 15 less than 78? No. Then max will be containing 78 only here. Afterwards, I'm putting the max value. Okay, let's take one more example so that you can be pretty sure about it, like how things are getting done. See, this is actually simple, so I'm not doing the dry run properly. Okay, because I hopefully understand that you can do it. It's not that hard. Very simple, right? 0 0 0 1 0 2. Afterwards 1 0 1 1 1 2. Okay, taking the value of ij. Okay, line number 21. What is this? What is this? 20, 21. This is 21, 22. Okay, so 20, 10, 00. I hope you're understanding it. This is actually I'm talking about ij value in the first array. Like first this array, if you consider this array, you will actually be having the value of I equal to 0 and j is 0, 1, 2. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Here you will be having I value as 1 and j value again is changing from 0, 1, 2. So 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 2. Here I value is 2 but j value is changing from 0 to 2. So 2, 0, 2, 1 and 2. I hope it's making sense, right? It's making sense, right? So just for your clarification again, I'm just gonna run it again. So let's run it for the values like 3, 3. Let's run it for 4, 5, 8, 12, 34, 3, 4. Or let's give 30, 12, 35, 78, 98, 87, 67, 45. So what is the value max? Max is 98. Okay. So I want you guys to do the trial. Let's take some more examples and do the trial. And it's very very simple. Okay. Okay. So hopefully I guess you'll be able to do it. Okay. So see you guys in the next video. Okay. Thank you.